In this video, you'll learn how to use ClickUp reminders in a simple and practical way so you never forget an important task again. We'll walk through how to use the built-in AI chat to set up reminders for yourself directly inside ClickUp, and I'll explain what's happening at each step so it feels natural once you try it on your own. First, open ClickUp on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. You'll want to be on the main screen where you can see your spaces, lists, or tasks. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different options like your tasks, notifications, and other tools. What we're looking for here is the AI option in that left sidebar. Take a moment to find the AI icon or the section labeled for AI. Depending on your layout or plan, this might be clearly labeled AI or show up as an assistant style option. Once you find it, click on it to open the AI panel or chat window. This is where you'll be able to talk to ClickUp's AI just like you would in a messaging app. When the AI chat window opens, you'll see a text box at the bottom where you can type. This is where you'll actually create your reminder. The key idea here is that you're going to chat with the AI and tell it what you want to be reminded about and when. You don't need to use complicated commands. You can just write in plain natural language. For example, you might type something like, remind me tomorrow at 9 a.m. to review the project plan, or remind me next Monday to follow up with the design team. The more specific you are about the time and the task, the better the reminder will work for you. The AI is designed to understand everyday language, so you can phrase it in a way that feels natural. After you type your reminder request, press enter or click the send button. The AI will process your message and usually respond with a confirmation, something along the lines of acknowledging the reminder and restating what it's going to remind you about. Take a second to read that response and make sure the time, date, and content of the reminder match what you intended. If something looks off, you can simply type another message to correct it. For instance, you could say, actually make that 10 a.m. instead of 9 a.m., or change the reminder to Wednesday. Treat it like a quick back and forth conversation until the reminder details are exactly right. This flexibility is one of the advantages of using the AI chat instead of digging through menus. Once everything looks good, you're done. The AI will handle the reminder in the background, and you can return to your regular work inside ClickUp. Over time, you can make this a habit. Whenever something comes up that you don't want to forget, open the AI option in the left sidebar and chat it to remind you. The more consistently you use it, the more you'll rely on ClickUp as your central place to capture and remember tasks. That's all there is to it. You've seen how to open the AI from the left sidebar and how to chat it to set up reminders in natural language. Try it out a few times with different types of reminders so it becomes second nature while you're working in ClickUp.